Every time we use the standard 3 view at SolidWorks drawing, we can by pick one of, and it's basically linked to this one, right? And if I want to move this up, it won't move because it's this one. So this is acting like a center of the view, and it's controlling the position of these two. So if I try to move this, you can see how the other two are acting accordingly, right? But if you don't want this to happen, you can obviously break this kind of alignment, which SolidWorks call it. So what you have to do is come to this one, right click, go to alignment, and say break alignment. That I can now really move this anywhere on my drawing, which we can't do before, right? So let's right click, alignment, break alignment. Now I can all these three equally. They are not linked each other, or we can say they are not aligned to each other. What if we don't want this? Let's say we changed our mind and now we don't uh, break alignment thing. I want to align these two respect. I'll drag this over. So I'll keep this as the center of the alignment and use these two as the alignment. Alright. So I'll right click on any of the views alignment. Say vertically, horizontally, by center up to. So let's go for horizontal origin, and I'll select this. Now it knows that it's origin this view. So every time I view that also follow. Let's do for right click alignment. I'm going to align vertical and select this one as my own. How you can utilize the alignment every time working on SolidWorks drawing. You can also break it if you don't want it. You can also add it. If you guys like this video, please like this. Uh, if you have any doubts with it, feel free to comment. I'll see you guys in the next episode.